We are here today to introduce to you the Stoelting Companion Cart. The Companion Cart is a portable cleaning system that reduces the time and effort needed to clean your frozen treat equipment. The portable Companion Cart allows you to bring a 3-sink system to the front of your frozen treat equipment, eliminating the need to carry messy buckets to the kitchen. It works anywhere you might not have power or water readily available, making cleaning easy in locations like movie theaters, museums, malls, frozen yogurt shops, and remote locations such as airports or other transportation hubs. The Companion Cart is offered in 3 options: allowing you to choose the cart that works best for your business. In a few simple steps, the cart is set up and ready to clean your frozen treat equipment. Within minutes, you're cleaning and sanitizing your machine with everything you need for the job, allowing your employees to focus on other daily tasks. Easy to use, easy to maintain, and now it's even easier to own. Cleaning your frozen treat equipment has never been so easy. To learn more about this or any other Stoelting product, visit us online at stoeltingfoodservice.com.